So one effect that I use a lot on my YouTube videos is to start a video. And I always like to start with a black piece and slowly dissolve it to the real footage. So you can do that on two different methods. You can use the cross dissolve, and you grab this effect and put it at the beginning of your video clip. And now it's black, and slowly your video comes to life. You can grab this effect and make it longer, so it's longer dark and slowly comes to light. Or if you don't like to use this cross dissolve effect, delete it. And if you go to the end of this video clip, you can drag out this same effect in your footage. You can do also the same for the end of your video. Slowly make it dark.